Round number 16, we continue the same scheme, so we go with one loop to raise the round and front post single crochet. We have already done this before. Into the top of the rhomb, 2 loops, and we continue to do the same. We expand and we make another round of rhombs. Unfortunately, to my opinion, this is too many rounds of rhombs. It's a little bit boring. I would love to make just a couple of them and it would be already fine for me. People who are watching may try to do this or may not. It doesn't matter. So we make expanding of the rhombs and then one front post double crochet into the middle one and 2 pieces of front post double crochet into the third, expanding the rhombs again. Already getting very difficult here. So 2 loops and 1 front post single crochet, and again 2 loops. See you in the next round.